The dealership world is constantly evolving. The baby boomers are retiring, the Gen Xers are getting older, and the millennials are moving into the market. Equipment for the consumer market is moving faster toward batteries than most people thought, and robotics are continuing to evolve. As a dealer, it's important more than ever to make sure that your store, both internally and externally, is changing to keep up with customer expectations and the display demands that the new products will require. Hi, I'm Bob Clements, and I want to invite you to join me on a journey at this year's GIE+Expo as we look at the changes that are going to be taking place over the next several years and the exciting impact those changes are going to have on brick-and-mortar locations like yours. I look forward to having you join me at this year's GIE+Expo.